In recent years, the automotive world has once again shown great interest in mid- to large-capacity enduro motorcycles. This trend seems to revive the golden age of the legendary Paris-Dakar rally in the 80s and 90s. Many manufacturers, especially from Europe, have sought to translate this nostalgia into new models that are not only tough on rugged terrain, but also comfortable for long-distance travel. This momentum could be a catalyst for Suzuki to join the fray with its own interpretation of the 650 cubic centimeters segment through the concept of an enduro motorcycle that is not only functional but also adventurous. Imagine a Japanese motorcycle with tough looks, inspired by the spirit of iconic desert racing. Its base is the Suzuki SV 650's 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, a machine that has proven to be durable, easy to maintain, and friendly to riders of all skill levels. The concept emphasizes an approach that respects the classic aesthetics of the Dakar rally, yet is wrapped in modern technology and ergonomics. In today's market, the Suzuki SV 650 Djebel can fill an important gap between high-performance enduro motorcycles and entry-level models. The Djebel name itself carries the historical legacy of Suzuki's participation in the Dakar rally through the original model. However, unlike extreme rally motorcycles, the SV 650 Djebel is not designed to be an exclusive ride for professionals. Instead, it is designed for anyone who wants to enjoy off-road adventures with comfort and reliability. It will compete directly with motorcycles like the Yamaha Tennis 700, Aprilia Touareg 660, and KTM 699 Enduro R, but offers a more user-friendly approach and a distinctive modern retro aesthetic. The visual design of the concept is the work of Obaidin Betsi, a renowned automotive designer known for his imaginative interpretations of legendary models. In the image, the aggressive silhouette and sharp lines blend seamlessly with retro elements such as the Dakar-style front fairing. With its spoke wheels, long suspension, and elegant acropovic exhaust, the Suzuki SV 650 Djebel concept is clearly about more than just style. It is a statement that adventure can start from anyone's garage.